Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're flying high and diving deep into the world of drones. On the left, we've got the DEERC D20 Mini Drone, aka the Baby Bird, and on the right, the Tammy's 4K drone, also known as the Sky King. Buckle up because this is going to be a bumpy ride. Let's kick things off with what everyone cares about: camera quality. The Baby Bird comes with a 720p HD camera. Not bad for a mini drone, right? Perfect for those I can almost see my face selfies. Reviewers appreciate the camera for basic photo and video capturing, especially given its entry-level price. On the other hand, the Sky King boasts a 4K UHD camera. That's right, folks, 4K. You can practically count the leaves on a tree from 100 feet up. It's like the difference between watching a movie on a VHS tape and a Blu-ray. Reviewers love the high-definition quality, which is perfect for capturing detailed and stunning aerial shots. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The Baby Bird is so simple to operate that even your grandma could fly it. Seriously, just tap the one key start landing button and you're off. Plus, it has altitude hold, which means it can hover in place like a pro. Great for kids and anyone who doesn't want to read a 100-page manual. Reviewers find it extremely user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Meanwhile, the Sky King is also user-friendly but with a twist. It has one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode. But let's be real, the Sky King is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It has more features than your smartphone, including gravity control and 3D flips. It's easy to use, but you'll need a PhD to master all its tricks. Reviewers appreciate its advanced features, but note that it requires some learning to fully utilize. Safety first, right? The Baby Bird comes with low power alarms, emergency stop, and propeller guards. It's like the bubble-wrapped drone of the skies. You could almost let it babysit your kids. Users have noted its safety features as a big plus for beginners and younger users. The Sky King, however, takes safety to a whole new level. With its optical flow positioning system, it hovers like a ninja. It's got 4 wind resistance levels, so you can fly it even in a hurricane. Okay, maybe not a hurricane, but close enough. Reviewers appreciate its advanced safety features, but warn about its performance in windy conditions. Battery life is crucial. The Baby Bird gives you up to 20 minutes of flight time with its 2 rechargeable batteries. That's 20 minutes of pure, unadulterated fun before it needs a nap. Reviewers find the battery life sufficient for short flights and learning the ropes. The Sky King, though, isn't just about power, it's about endurance. With its brushless motors, it flies longer and quieter. You might need a couple of batteries to keep up with this beast. But hey, it's worth it for those epic 4K shots. Reviewers recommend getting extra batteries for extended flight time and highlight its impressive performance. Let's talk money. The Baby Bird is a steal at just $69. Perfect for those who want to dip their toes into the drone world without selling a kidney. Reviewers find it an excellent value for the price, especially for beginners. The Sky King, on the other hand, will set you back $99. Yes, it's pricier, but remember, you're getting 4K quality and a bunch of features that make you feel like you're piloting a mini spaceship. Reviewers believe the extra cost is justified given the advanced camera and feature set. Summarizing the reviews, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone is praised for being an excellent entry-level option that's easy to use, durable, and budget-friendly. However, it struggles in windy conditions and has a basic camera. The TMI's 4K drone, on the other hand, receives accolades for its high-definition camera, advanced features, and durability. Some reviewers mention issues with wind performance and availability of spare parts, but overall, it's considered a high-value purchase for its price. So which drone should you buy? If you're a newbie or a kid at heart, go for the Baby Bird. It's fun, easy, and won't cost you an arm and a leg. But if you're looking for top-notch camera quality and a plethora of features, the Sky King is your best bet. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for tuning in, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Fly smart, buy smart, and see you next time. Product links are in the description.